Hi to all. We are installing the contactless CAN bus data reader Eurosens InCAN. It is used for safe connection between GPS tracker and vehicle CAN bus. How to find the CAN bus wires? The easiest way is to find the diagnostic connector. It contains CAN bus pins. There are two different types of diagnostic connectors. From another side of connector, we can see connected wires. It is easy to find out the CAN bus wires. Normally, it is a pair of twisted wires. CAN bus is a two-wire named CAN high and CAN low. Contact pads of contactless reader are marked. Fix the CAN bus wires to the pads tightly using plastic ties. Now connect InCAN wires. CAN bus wires should be connected to the GPS tracker. And we need to connect power and ground wire. CAN bus operates only when ignition is on, so it is not necessary to provide InCAN with permanent power when the vehicle is parked. Now we have everything connected and GPS tracker can show us some data received from the contactless reader. Remember that Eurosens InCAN doesn't perform any CAN bus data decoding. It is up to your GPS tracker. Eurosens InCAN only replaces direct wired connection between GPS tracker and CAN bus with safe contactless read-only connection. Thank you for your time.